Yo, 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 what's going on, my friends? Thanks for joining me in another ride. Today, I'm going to the village. Those of you who live in the West Island know where I'm going. Tonight, there's gonna be waterfalls. What am I saying? There's gonna be fireworks. So yeah, we're gonna go there, park somewhere, relax, wait till nighttime comes, and we're gonna watch them fireworks. Hope you guys will join me for this. What happened here, guys? Is there an accidente? Let's find out. Let's see what happened. We're gonna do our curious. Alright, guys. There you go. As you guys can see, this is what happens when you text and you drive. So please, guys, don't text and drive. So now you guys saw firsthand what happens. I'm pretty sure that was because of texting and driving. I mean, come on. And that person over there is on their phone talking, you know. Get off your phone, man. You're driving. 2 hands on the steering wheel, yo. Yeah, anyway, that's my pet peeve, man. I hate people who text and drive. Can't stand that shit. And who throw their cigarettes on the floor like this guy in front of me. It is what it is, man. People will never change. They just don't care. It's all about me. Let's give him the stink eye. Fuck it, it's not even worth it. Yeah, so besides all those negativities that we just saw, let's enjoy this small ride to the village. You know, it's gonna be a nice view. You guys will see in a second. I'm gonna show you. And here you go, guys. Check this out. Look at the view by the water. Come on. Can't get better than that, right? Maybe I'll put a little bit of music and let you guys enjoy this while I get to the village. Enjoy. Sorry everybody, I'm not leaving. So this is the village, guys. I'll come back to you when the fireworks start. See you soon.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed those fireworks. They were pretty nice, weren't they? Music was cool too. So yeah, this was just another video of a day in the life for me. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all on the other one, on the next one. Peace.